नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, श्रेणीश नर्सिंग क्लासेसमध्ये तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन। आज आपण बघणार आहोत ब्रँचेस ऑफ प्युअर सायकोलॉजी। काल आपण सायकोलॉजी त्याची डेफिनेशन बघितली, आज आपण ब्रँचेस बघूयात। तर ब्रँचेस ऑफ प्युअर सायकोलॉजी नंबर 1 आहे जनरल सायकोलॉजी। जनरल सायकोलॉजी deals with the fundamental rules, principles, theories of psychology in relation to the study of behavior of a normal adult. नंतर आहेत ॲबनॉर्मल सायकोलॉजी। ॲबनॉर्मल सायकोलॉजी deals with the behavior of individuals with are unusual. It studies mental disorder, their causes and treatment. नंतर थर्ड आहेत सोशल सायकोलॉजी। सोशल सायकोलॉजी deals with the group behavior and interrelationship of people with other people. It studies various types of group phenomena such as public opinion, attitudes, beliefs, and crowd behavior. नंतर बघूयात आपण सायकोलॉजी। Psychological psychology. The branch of psychology describe and explain the biological and physiological basis of behavior. It concerns the structure and function of sense organs, nerve system, muscles and gland underlying all behavior. नंतर आहेत नंबर 5 पॅरासायकोलॉजी। पॅरासायकोलॉजी deals with extra secondary perceptions, causes of rebirth, telepathy and allied problems. Number 6 geopsychology. This branch of psychology describe and explain the relation of physical environment, particularly weather, climate and soil with behavior. नंतर आहे डेव्हलपमेंटल सायकोलॉजी. This branch of psychology describe the processes and factors that influence the growth and development in relation to the behavior of an individual from birth to old age. It is further subdivided into branches like child psychology, adult and old age psychology. Number 8 experimental psychology. The branch of psychology studies the ways and means of carrying out psychological experiment by using scientific methods. Experimental psychologists do basic research in an effort to discover and understand the fundamental and general causes of behavior. नंतर बघूयात ब्रँचेस ऑफ ॲप्लाइड सायकोलॉजी। आपण अगोदर बघितले ब्रँचेस ऑफ प्युअर सायकोलॉजी, आता बघूयात ब्रँचेस ऑफ ॲप्लाइड सायकोलॉजी। नंबर 1 एज्युकेशनल सायकोलॉजी. Educational psychology is a branch of applied psychology which tries to apply the psychological principles, theories, the techniques up to human behavior in additional situations. The subject matter of this branch covers psychological ways and means of improving all aspects of the learning process. Number 2 clinical psychology. This branch of applied psychology describes the causes of mental illness, abnormal behavior of a patient and suggests treatment and effective adjustment of the affected person in society. Number 3 industrial psychology. The branch of applied psychology tries to seek application of the psychological principles, theories and techniques for the study of human behavior in relation to industrial environment. Industrial psychologists apply psychological principles to assist public and private organizations with their hiring and placement programs, the training and supervision of their personnel and improvement of communication within the organization. Number 4 legal psychology. Legal psychology is a branch of applied psychology which tries to study the behavior of persons like clients, criminals, witnesses, etc. with the help of applications of psychological principles and techniques. The root cause of crime, offense, dispute or any legal case can be properly understood through the use of this branch of psychology. असेच नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी श्रेणीश नर्सिंग क्लासेसला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवरती क्लिक करायला विसरू नका। धन्यवाद।